Hey guys, this is Kritesh and welcome to TradePen's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to invest your first rupees 1000 in Indian stock market. So if it is something that you are interested in, please watch this video till the very end. Now, before we start the video, let me give you a very simple advice. Use this rupees 1000 as an opportunity to learn, not to make money. Now rupees 1000 is not a very big amount, and even if you make a profit of 50% from this amount, you will make just an additional rupees 500, and this additional 500, it's not going to change your financial situation or going to make you rich. So do not think that you can become a very rich or make a lot of money by investing just rupees 1000 in the Indian stock market. However, take it as an opportunity. By investing rupees 1000, your first rupees 1000 in the market, you can learn a lot of things, from very simple technical things like how to place your buy order on your trading account to different things like how long it takes a stock to get credited in your demat account, and all the technical things you can learn by investing just rupees 1000. And similarly, more complex things like how to pick stocks, how to choose a stock, what are the different things to look into stocks, and what are different companies listed in the stock market, which are companies which can be a good investment in the market. So all these opportunities you can find by investing your first rupees 1000, and this opens a door for the future opportunities for you. Now you are not going to invest just for 1 year. You might be investing for next 20, 30, or even 40 years if you are in 20s, if you are in your 20s right now. So by investing your first rupees 1000, it gives you a lot of opportunity. And as there's a famous quote, a journey of 1000 miles starts with the first step. So this can be your first step. This is how you enter the market, and this is how you break all the barrier to enter in the market. So take it as an opportunity to learn things, how market works, how to place order, how to pick stocks, but do not expect unrealistic returns. Do not expect that you can become a very rich by investing just rupees 1000 in the market. So this is the basic advice that I wanted to give before starting the video. Now let's start our video on how to invest your first rupees 1000 in the Indian stock market. So tip number one, invest in just one stock. Now rupees 1000 is not a very big amount to invest, and there are a lot of stocks which are trading at a stock price greater than rupees 1000. For example, if you see Maruti Suzuki, it's around 6000. If you see Hindustan Unilever, it's trading at around 1700, 1800 something. So when you are investing just rupees 1000, you are already eliminating all the companies whose share price is greater than rupees 1000. Now, and if you are planning to buy multiple stocks, let's say 2 3 stocks, you won't be even able to buy those stocks whose price is between 500 to 1000. So when you are planning to invest in just one stock, this is giving you a lot of opportunity. You can invest in a lot of companies whose share prices between rupees 0 to 1000. Now the thing is, you can buy even just one stock. Let's say you are planning to buy invest in Godrej Industry. Its share price is around 400 something. So when you invest rupees 1000 in Godrej Industry, you can buy two stocks of that. However, the key here is always to start with just one stock. Pick just one stock which you are very comfortable in. Do not plan to find 5 6 different companies to invest. Rupees 1000 is not a very big amount, and even if the share price is rupees 300, you maximum you can buy 3 units, that is 3 quantity of that stock when you are investing rupees 1000. So take it as an opportunity and find just one stock, one favorite stock, or one stock where you see amazing opportunity, and invest in that one. My second advice will be to invest in visible companies. So a lot of companies are there whose products and services are easily visible. You can see companies like Godrej or Tata Motors or Yes Bank, or there are different companies, HPCL, BPCL. So all these companies are very visible. You can easily find their product, services, who is leading their management, who is the CEO, or how much is the holding of the CEOs in the company, and all the other details about them, like their income statement, how much revenue they are generating, or how much profits they are making every year, how much is the growth in the profit year after year. All these things are easily available for the visual companies. And moreover, you can also find a lot of research reports, all different analysis by the companies which are very famous blue chips companies on different websites. Like you can use Trendline website to read their analysis. So for these companies which you already know, which are easily visible, you can easily see their product, and you can have a rough estimation whether the products are doing good, by seeing different cars. You can see whether that car company is doing good or bad, whether their products are in demands or not. On the other hand, for the less visible companies, for example ABC Organics or XYZ Chemicals, for their products you might not be using directly, or it's really difficult to understand what are their products, what are their services, or how much is the demand for those products. And moreover, there are a lot of companies for whom you cannot find their retail stores or their factory outlets, anything. So researching those companies is really difficult. And further, for those companies which are small and the details about their financial statements, or who is their CEO, or who is their management, all those things are also very difficult to find. Even if you know who is the CEO, you might not get a lot of information about his background, his qualification, whether he is good enough to run the company or not. So the second advice will be to go for a company which is easily visible, which you can find, or whose products and services you can see, because researching these companies do not take a lot of time. You might have already grown seeing all those companies, you might have used their products, you might have a basic understanding of what is the business model. And for most of the visible companies, the business model is also very simple, which anyone can understand. So second advice will be to choose those companies which are easily visible, whose product services you can see, whose details about their financial statements, their management, their factories, their outlets, everything you can know about. So this is the second advice. So let's move to the third advice. My third advice would be you shouldn't spend a lot of weeks for researching stock. Rupees 1000 is not a very big amount. And the key here is that you're not making this investment of just rupees 1000 to make profits. Here you are making investment to learn, to find out how the market works, how to research stocks and other things related to stock market. So do not spend 4 weeks, 5 weeks, or more than a month for researching the stock. 1 week or 15 days are enough. Just find few good companies you are confident about and research them, and out of all the 5 or 6 companies, select one which you find the best opportunity. Like I said, even if you have some loss in this thing, it's not going to make you bankrupt or out of your business. However, the things that you are going to learn by investing rupees 1000, it's going to help you a lot in future. So my third advice is, do not spend weeks for researching stock. Take 1 week or 15 days to research a company, get comfortable with it, know all the details that you can find about it, and then invest in it. And my fourth and final advice will be, to not make it a very big deal. You might already know that stock prices go ups and down daily, but it should not affect you much because your investment amount is not very large. And you should not think a lot about whether I will make a profit, whether I will make a loss, or my stocks are down. This is just a learning process, and this is how you get started. And if you start making a lot of deal about it, that my first investment of rupees 1000 was at loss, so I won't make any future investments, or if you start overthinking about that stock, then it's not worth it. It's just a learning step. Just learn about how the market works and take it casually. Yes, it's your first stock, so you are not going to forget about it. Take it as a learning process. If you are able to learn good things by investing just rupees 1000 from the market, it's worth it. And even if you have made some loss, you will get a lot of opportunities in future. And by learning how the market works, maybe you will be even to make even lakhs or crores from the market in future. So do not make it a very big deal, and think it as an amazing learning opportunity that you are getting. So that's all for this video. I hope this was useful to you, and I sincerely hope that after watching this video you make your first investment of rupees 1000 in the Indian stock market. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more interesting investing videos. This is Kritesh signing off.